Hello you beautiful people, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and it is a Box of Goth. Box of Goth, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box. However, this is not a subscription box. Well, it is, but it's a one-off box that I've bought. Yeah, so Box of Goth has a monthly subscription box that you can buy every month or just as a one-off. However, some months they have a few left, so then the next month or whenever you can buy previous month's boxes. And I have been purchasing Box of Goth for over 4 years now. I've also worked with Box of Goth, I have to disclose that. I've worked with them previously where one of my cards has been in one of their boxes. Those are my balls. But these are all purchased with my own money. I went on and I felt like treating myself, and there was a few boxes from the past year that I hadn't purchased. And I thought, I deserve those. And so I bought them. I bought 3. I've just filmed one. I'll link that somewhere. This is number 2, and I'm going to film a 3rd one as well. And I've also got the subscription box coming for next month. I have a discount code somewhere here, potentially down below. I'm not sure. I don't earn anything from the discount code, but Box of Goth have very kindly given me the discount code to give to you guys. I'm going to stay with friends. The owner of Box of Goth, we're friends. She's amazeballs. I absolutely love her. Yeah, and she very lovely gave me the discount code to pass on to you guys. So let's see what one this is. I can't remember what they are. I bought 3. I've just done the Strange and Unusual box, and I feel like another one was I don't know. I feel like it was just a goth box. I can't remember. Let's just look. So, this is the I Love Skulls box. It was a toss-up between this. It was like, do I get the I Love Skulls box or like there's like one that was like a cute but goth box? And I spoke to Nikki and she said, oh, the kids, because like she knows I have kids and we chat and stuff. And she said, oh, the kids love the cute box. And I was like, I want the skulls. So I went with the skulls. I remember now. So this is the I Love Skulls box, and this is the little leaflet that tells you everything that's in it. It looks like this. So the first thing I can see is a scratch my Box of Goth skull surprise. So add code to your next order at checkout. I haven't got anything to scratch this with. I can't scratch it with my nail because it makes me feel a bit icky. I literally can't scratch it with my nail. I'm going to have to get a coin, and I've not got one up here. But I'll scratch that. Then I have a wax melt skull burner. Beautiful. I'm going to put that there. I've just remembered I've got tea. That is cold. How many times a day, on average, do you make a drink and then forget about it? And then it's just, I do it like 6 times a day. Next we've got a skull air freshener. So that's cute. Let's have a see what this, oh, it's vanilla scented. We like that. I love vanilla. I'm like, I swear I'm just 15 at heart. I love perfumes that smell like, who remembers Impulse vanilla? I used to fucking love that. I've literally still got it. Not the same one. And that's a vanilla. Oh my god, I love it. A vanilla skull. That's lovely. You go in the big box, the rubbish. Next, I've got, my children are downstairs with their granny, their nana, before anybody's like, abandonment. Get over it. They're downstairs with a nurse. We've got a glittery gold. I like him. It's just very exciting seeing him in the, ha! I like him. What does this say? Iridescent skull ornament. Lovely jobby. I've got some skull badges. Where are these? Calvaria collection badge pack. So we've got different animal skulls. We've got a bird skull, a ram, something with big teeth, something else with really big teeth. I don't know what they are. Look, let me get them out. I don't know what they are. What is this? What is that? Obviously this is a bird. And this is a ram. What is this one? It's a chipmunk. Big teeth. It looks a bit like a chipmunk. I don't know. We love a badge. Next I've got a print. This is double-sided. A double-sided skull theme print by Ali Hayes Studio. I'll put their Instagram down below for you guys. Oh, she knows. I got some sweets. Cola skulls, vegan friendly cola skulls. Cute. Oh, Ben will love that, a bottle opener. That's really cool. Seeing double skull bottle opener, that's awesome. There's loads in here. We've got a skull pen. Look at this. Just taking the label off. I've got the fucking Alton Towers theme song in my head for some reason. I don't even like Alton Towers. Hello. That's just a pen. Lovely stuff. And then I've got some little things. Oh, I think it's a necklace. Oh, it's just fell out. Oh my god, that is cute as shit. That is the tiniest little thing. Where is this? A skull charm stainless steel necklace. Look at that little baby skull. Can you see him? He's so tiny. I love him. Super, super cute that is. Love that. I've got so much jewellery from Box of Goth, it's ridiculous. I don't even care. I'm happy. It makes me happy. And then the last thing is this says a skull candy wax cord pendant. One of my little girls is going to steal that. I know for a fact. My middle child will oh, did you hear my belly then? I'm hungry. My middle child will steal that within seconds of seeing it. I know she will. She loves necklaces. That's awesome. So that is the I Love Skulls box. That is still available to buy if you want to. If you want to treat yourself or someone you know that loves skulls, because who doesn't love skulls? Weirdos, that's who. Yeah. Get it. Get it. Go get it now. You know you want to. Yeah. They have also, I saw on her Instagram this morning, today is Tuesday the 31st of August, the advent calendar goes on sale tonight. Ooh, Ben will actually kill me. Like, I need to sell some cards. I'm going to link my cards down below. Buy more of my cards and then I can buy more boxes. Yeah! Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. I've also got my 10,000 subscriber giveaway going as well. I'll link it somewhere. I would love it if you would be involved in that. So yeah, thanks.